Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chanel. Welcome back to another exciting video. Yes, on today's video we'll be making chicken salad, and these are all the veggies we'll be using for this video. So guys, if it's your first time, do it to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn on your notification button so when I post a new video you'll be notified. Yes, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for always being amazing. So guys, you have to wash your veggies properly. Wash them very properly to get out sands, all the dirt, and make sure you're using salt to do this for germs and other things. Yes. So guys, I have my chicken right here. I'm trying to season it. Is big, right? Actually, I'm not only using this chicken for the salad, I'm also using it for other things, so don't panic. So I'm seasoning it right now, putting all the ingredients, all the seasoning for it to have taste. Yes. Yeah, see what we got. I'm boiling the cauliflower and broccoli to make it edible. Yeah, to make it edible. So guys, I've chopped my cabbage. Yes, sliced my carrots, cucumber, the lettuce. Now I'm adding the boiled cauliflower and broccoli. Yes. See how colorful and beautiful this is looking. It's so catchy, right? So guys, see what we got. So I'll just have to put it in a bowl. Yeah, you can decide to take it at any time you want. You can refrigerate it as well. So guys, I'm trying to mix it. Yes, so I added a cube of sugar, salad dressing, and a drop of ketchup. Yes, but these depend on the quantity of salad you want to take at a particular time. So that's why I'm having this little amount. So as you noticed, I also added a drop of lemon. Yeah, a drop of lemon juice to this. Yeah, it's mixing time. Mixing to make sure everything is mixed properly. So I'm adding in my chicken, sliced chicken, to the veggies. I'm adding in my sliced chicken to the veggies. I'm still mixing. So guys, yay, it's ready. Looks yummy, right? Your freshly made chicken salad. So guys, you can enjoy this with a boiled egg or a full lap of chicken. Thanks for watching. Bye.